So we're gonna do another experiment the same way to see if the results vary and how much they vary, you know, for science in this beautiful but harsh Latvian weather. Man versus wild, science versus gadgets. Let's go. Hi, I'm Val here, and welcome to the second season of Worst of Tech, presented by Cognizant Latvia. In this show, we unbox and review odd gadgets and decide if they're bad or good. If they're bad, we destroy them. If they're good, one of them can go to you. If you have seen any of our previous episodes, which you should, then you'll remember that they were presented by our almighty CEO, Kim. And I will be replacing Kim until he gets back from a super important business meeting in Dubai. If you think I should be leading this channel instead, please let us know in the comments. Also, if you're interested in any job opportunities in Cognizant Latvia, please click on the link in the description below. Okay, so let's get to it. Let me show you today's item. We will be reviewing a smart band from the brand For Me. Okay, let's just skip to it. Let's open the box. So we have the little thing that the watch comes in, the smart band, sorry. Instruction manual, and nothing, well, pretty skimpy. It's very lightweight. Nice fabric though. I mean, it feels nice and cheap. So yeah, flip to the menu, you see a lot of options by using the function key. Start with the watch, pedometer, distance counter, calories burned, heart rate, blood pressure, and battery level. Okay, so let's check out the sync possibilities between the device and the phone. I'm gonna ask Kim's little helper to call me on this beautiful phone right here and see how the device reacts. Okay, so I see the phone call on the phone. Nothing. Nope. No notifications on the device so far. Okay, let's try a text message. And nothing from the text message either. So we seem to have failed the initial tests because they couldn't get the notifications to appear on the device itself from the phone. We followed the instructions, nothing helped. We rebooted the device, we rebooted the phone, we reinstalled the app and everything. Nothing seems to be helping. So, okay, well, let's see if it still delivers on its promises of being a heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor, a pedometer, and a distance counter. Okay, so for the heart rate, we're gonna compare these two devices, launching them at the same time, to synchronize the results. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so the For Me band, initially it peaked at like 101 beats per minute, which is a little bit high, I thought. Then it went rapidly down to 90-ish, 91 was the final result. And for the legit one, it's showing 88, which is fairly close, I gotta admit. So let's try the blood pressure now. (128 to 71 on the For Me band, and 112 to 84 on the doctor's band. I mean, fairly close. Okay, time for our final tests. We're gonna go head outside, test the pedometer, hopefully the distance counter. Let's see how that works, fingers crossed. So let's go. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take a walk, a 100-meter walk using this amazing ruler. In that direction, I'm gonna Velcro this end to this beautiful little fence over here. And I'm gonna be counting the steps in my head, which I actually took, and I'm gonna compare it to the results of the smartwatch, the smart band. Okay, so we're set with the wing Velcro, and let's start walking. Okay, so results are not really conclusive. I counted 126 steps myself, but the device is showing 98 steps. So there's a bit of a difference. As for the distance, the super sciencey ruler is showing 100 meters, whereas the device only measures 60 meters. So we're gonna do another experiment the same way to see if the results vary and how much they vary, you know, for science in this beautiful but harsh Latvian weather. Man versus wild, science versus gadgets. Let's go. So for the second tests, I measured 121 steps. I guess I was taking slightly larger steps than I did before, but the device measured 164 steps, so now it's larger than it was before. But on the plus side, it did measure exactly 100 meters from there to here. So in conclusion, we performed 5 tests connectivity, which, by the way, was not mentioned in the product description on Amazon, just in the manual, but okay, let's scratch that. Heart rate, blood pressure, pedometer, and distance counter. I would say we didn't quite fail on any of those tests. Sure, they might have been inconclusive here and there, but it's fairly close. You know, if you're serious about sports and you really care about your blood pressure and your heart rate, yeah, this might not be the device for you. But if you're just using it to count your steps in the course of the day, I think it should be pretty accurate. I'm very actually surprised about the step count, the distance meter, because it's supposed to be linked to your phone, which we sadly couldn't establish, but it's still here and there, like from out of those two experiments, one of them was exactly 100 meters. So that's surprising. So I would say not destroy. So please go on our Facebook page, participate in the competition, and you actually might win this. So thanks everyone for watching. Please press the like button if you like this video, leave a comment if you wish, subscribe for more videos that are definitely going to come later. If you have any device suggestions for review, definitely leave them in the comments. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.